in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to design a t-shirt mock-up. Now, what is a mock-up? A mock-up is a visual representation or model of a design, product, or project, often created to showcase how something will look like or function before it's actually built or finalized. If this is your first time of coming across this channel, kindly hit the subscribe button, like, comment, and share this video to someone that may need this tutorial. Alright, let's get started. So first of all, you have to head on to canva.com, or if you're using the mobile app, you need to log on to your Canva app on your phone or your PC. So once you log in, you're going to see this dashboard. So for those of you that are new to Canva, there's a video I dropped already. I'm going to put it in the description of this video for you to go and watch on how to navigate Canva interface. Alright, so what we would want to do is start creating our t-shirt mock-up, and to do that we just need to create a custom design because we are designing it from scratch, right? So we need to create a custom design for it. So just head over to custom size. You can decide to choose any size you want depending on where you want to share the mock-up to, right? But for the sake of the tutorial, we're going to be using a normal square size, which is 1080 by 1080, right? So we'll go to custom size, and we'll go 1080 by 1080. I'll click on create new design. We'll click on so once it has arrived in this particular place, we are going to click on elements. Now once you click on elements, this is where the magic begins from, right? So it's either you search for t-shirt mockup in your search bar that is here for element, or you just scroll down to where you see mockups. So for this tutorial, we're going to just search for t-shirt mock up. So I want to search for it. Now it will bring you to this page. So you're going to see graphics, you're going to see photos, frames, videos, audio. Then the last bar that is there, it's called the mockup. So this is where you're going to come to. So you now click on see all. So once you click on see all, you're going to see lots of mockups, right? So we're actually looking for a t-shirt, right? We're looking for a t-shirt. So you can choose any of these t-shirt, anyone that represent the kind of t-shirt you want to do the mock-up for. So tap on it. You just select any of the t-shirt that best suit your project. So we now have our t-shirt here. You can decide to increase it a bit so it can fit our frame. So once you've done that, the next thing you'd want to do is to add an image on your t-shirt. Remember, we're doing mock-up, right? And normally as you're doing a mock-up, hopefully you want to design a t-shirt with maybe an inscription or something. So maybe you already have the design you want to put on a t-shirt, or if you don't have, but for the sake of the tutorial, I'm going to do everything from scratch so you can know how this is being done, right? So to do that, you go to upload. Once you go to upload, now you now upload the image that you want to actually put on your t-shirt. So I already have some images downloaded already, so I'm going to select from one of them and just drag and drop into our t-shirt. So let's use this one that says money rules the world. So we'll just drag and drop inside our t-shirt. We'll allow it to load and process. So it's loading, so we'll allow it to load until when it's done loading our image into our t-shirt. So here we are. So we have the image already on our t-shirt already. So the next we'd want to do is we'd want to change the color of our t-shirt. to fit the image depending on the color of t-shirt you actually want though. So everything still boils down to your project and the color you actually want to use. So to do that, you just tap on your t-shirt and go to where you see edit. You can see edit here. So once you click on edit, it's going to bring you to a page, right? So on this page is where you can change the t-shirt color to any color you want. So just scroll down to where you see color, right? Where you see color, then from here you can select the color you want. For you can see the default mockup color is white for this t-shirt. So here you can now select any color you want. So let's try black. Let's say the t-shirt is actually a black t-shirt, right? So once you selected the color you want to select, you now click on apply changes. Once you click on apply changes, your color, the t-shirt color, is going to change to black. You can see. So here is it. So the t-shirt color has changed to black. Now also, if you want to adjust where the text will be on your mockup, to do that you just have to come to this same edit part where we actually clicked to change the color. You just come to where you see your image, so you can decide to drag up, or decide to drag down depending on the angle you want to put it. So let's drag this image up a bit and click on apply changes. So whatever you do, you need to click on apply changes to apply it, else it's not going to work. So you can see the our money residual has gone up a bit. So you can see it's now looking like this. So you can see it's looking very, very fine now, and it's looking very, very fine. And this is a typical image mockup. Let's try another t-shirt or clothes to see, maybe with a different color, with a different design. So let's just add a new page because we want to do another design. We're adding another design to our page. So click on add page. So still go to elements, like I told you. We'll go to elements as usual, right? We'll go to elements and we'll do our normal search. We'll do our normal t-shirt mockup search, but because we're already here already, so they just brought us straight to the t-shirts. So we can decide to select another t-shirt, maybe something different, right? So let's choose this one. So we can choose this. So you repeat the same process. So they are all the same process that you need to repeat. There's even a sweatshirt, depending on what you want to, the apparel you want to do mockup for, right? So let's go to upload. So once you go to upload, I'm going to select any let's say any picture. So let's say I want to do t-shirt for myself. So I have one image here already, so we can just drag this image into our mockup, So allow it to load. Usually it takes time to load, so it can process your image into the t-shirt. So you can see holla, we have my face there. Now to make this much more fun, we can decide to change the t-shirt color. Like I told you, to change the t-shirt color, you just have to tap on your mockup, then go to edit. You go to edit, and you see where they wrote color. So you tap on it, and from there you can choose any color that best suits the t-shirt you want to design. So let's pick a color. You can add a new color and use the you pick a color tool that is there, you can tap on it, then you can take it to where the color is and pick a color. So you can now when I click apply changes, so you see that the color will change to the color picked from the image, right? So you can see, so here's our wonderful t-shirt. You can decide to, like I told you, can decide to raise the picture up. You can decide to even make it more bigger depending on what you want to do, right? Depending on how we want it. So yeah, so click on apply changes once we are done with that. So for each new adjustment we make, we usually go to apply changes, so you can apply changes. You understand? So that's, you can see it is looking very fine. So we can also do another one just for clarity's sake. Just for clarity's sake, we can also add one more t-shirt. So let's add new page and let's do one more t-shirt, so that so you can understand how it works. One more time, let's add on that. So let's say we want to, let's use this one that is there. Let's use sweatshirt that is there. Let's add a sweatshirt into our design, and so this is the last design I'm going to make in for this tutorial, just for you to understand how this is being done. So like I said, you need to pick, you upload the image you want to use for your t-shirt, you just drag and drop, then you change the color of your t-shirt, you get. So for this one, I would want to use, I still have other images I downloaded online, right? So let's use this one, this no love no stress picture I downloaded online. So you just drag your picture into the mockup, and it's going to reflect. So we'll allow it to load, and so you can see this one. So our picture is already there. So the reason why this no love is not showing is because it's already white. We need to change the color of our t-shirt made to something else. So go to edit, then like I told you, once you go to edit, you go to color and change your t-shirt color, right? So you click on color. So let's say we want to use this, maybe a red color or a yellow color, anyone can still go. So let's use yellow that is there, and click on apply changes. So click on apply changes, you see the color of your t-shirt is going to change to the color you actually selected. So you can see it's no love, no stress. Understand? You can also adjust it from here, make it more bigger from here, zoom, you can zoom it from here, to just make it more better. I click on apply changes. So allow it to load. Normally usually it takes time to load, so it loads and our changes will be made to the t-shirt. You can see, so this is the what you just adjusted. So you can change any color you actually want to change from the edit tool that is on our screen. So you can also change to any color of your choice. You can change to. So I want to change to another color again, just for clarity's sake. So that's how to change the t-shirt color, and that's how to do a t-shirt mockup on Canva. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, kindly hit the like button subscribe, turn on your notification bell so that once I drop any video, you'll be the first to get it. And don't forget to comment on this video. See you on the next video.